All right, guys, my brother just picked up this 2017 Chevy C7 Corvette, and we're attempting to rebuild it in less than 24 hours. We already got started on it. 1 hour in, my boy already took the seat belts out, and he just got some new ones from the junkyard. Already putting the seats together. How's it coming along, boy?
It's going along, brother.
Oh yeah. How much did you pay for those seat belts at the junkyard?
70
bucks for two. What was his name? Robert? Robert hooked us up. And then check it out what I'm doing right here. We're not about to replace this whole structure, so we're doing it the redneck special. Get a little bit of epoxy. Oh yeah. We're gonna rub it on here really nice. Wait for it to dry. Dang, brother, you found some money right there. Gonna need a new windshield. Already got the glass guy coming out just so we can knock it out in 24 hours. My boy already went to the junkyard whenever he picked up the seatbelts. Got this bumper for $200 cash money, and then it also came with that grill. And then how much was the fender?
It was 40.
40. We're saving time. The boy's gonna just drop it off at our shop. Hey man, let him know how much you pay for the car.
The car?
Don't mind me asking for the viewers.
41 plus the delivery from Texas was extra 200, so 43.
$4,300 got us this build, and it even came with a certificate of destruction title, so we don't have to worry about nothing. You ain't gotta worry. You ain't gotta worry about registering. The time is ticking. Come on, 24 hours.
What?
Car, since it's got that CD title, certificate of destruction, so it's gonna be way smoother that way. Next up on the chopping block, we got the Scat Pack 392 Hemi 6.4. We got the Bumblebee interior. The 24-hour challenge, so you already know we gotta sand it down as fast as we could. Got that bucket of Bondo from Walmart, light Bondo on the hood right there. Yee, ski, yee, whatever. Paint it real quick. Already got the base coat, it's all dry. Ooh. Gotta throw a few more coats because it's looking a little spotty still from that primer. A few more coats, clear coat, bam, good to go. Bolt it back on, car's gonna be ready. Dude, go to the paint store, get the cheapest paint. We got this for $10.
Mix it up really nicely.
Plug it up to your Harbor Freight gun and start shooting. Lights off, get a flashlight, pretty powerful flashlight right here. Kind of go over it, make sure you ain't missing any spots, and it looks like we're all good. I mean, can't really see anything. What I'm gonna do is wait for it to dry a little bit more, shoot some clear coat on it, should be good to go. Guys, so since this is a budget build, we're only gonna do one coat of clear coat. This will maximize the profit, and it's already looking freaking really good, so that's all we're gonna do. Yeah, let's wait for this thing to dry. I'm using the speed clear. It's a lot cheaper than regular clear, and it's gonna dry up so we can accomplish the goal of 24-hour rebuild. Man, guys, the weather keeps changing on us. It just started snowing really weird. It was just raining, now it's snowing. Walking down the stairs, Roscoe just got himself a new build. And DNS over there, Donnie. They both got forwards because they said Dodge is gay. Got the hood on, 4 bolts, bam. Vent, 3 bolts. And then the fender goes on a bunch of bolts. It's gonna be quick. We're only like 5 hours into the rebuild, and it's almost done. Headlight in. My boy, it's not clipped in. Guys, no time for a jack stand. Y'all just gonna jack it up and go under there, having faith on the Harbor Freight jack stand?
Guess what, familia is.
All right, guys, we worked all night and we got this Corvette knocked out, so it's ready to go. We finished the 24-hour rebuild. We're good to go on that, and I'm gonna do a price breakdown right now, how much we all spent on it, and you can do the same thing. Quick wipe down, and she's for sale, ain't that right? Deal, we're about to make some money. All right, my boy's about to throw her up on the marketplace, and then we have a potential buyer, but we don't know yet. Hopefully he sees this bad boy, and then he picks her up for the right price, and we're gonna make some money on it. All right, make sure you don't get the oil leak in the video or in the picture you're taking on Facebook. We got my boy Tim over here. Yo, how much are we selling the Vet T for, brother?
27K.
27. Let's shake on it. Firm handshakes. What is it called? Solidifies the deal.
But a local bill.
I mean, are you happy with the purchase?
I mean, at the moment, yeah, but then I'll
just wait till you see the video, bro. You don't know how much money we're making off of you.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah, the American dream, isn't that right?
Hell yeah, brother.
Does it look all right to you? How was it repaired?
Dude, it's mint. It's mint.
You wouldn't say anything else?
No, it was hit in the back, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just the rear bumper was replaced and that was it.
I just seen like a little scratch right
Yeah,
there.
we just...
I gotta give you these with the scat pack. Oh, the little covers for the front bumper.
Oh, no, I'm buying this.
No, with the scat.
I don't want the scat anymore.
Right, so buddy, how much are we making off of our boy Tim?
What do I say?
How much did the car end up costing?
Cost 11.5, maybe like 11.6. I'm probably forgetting something, but we're selling it for what is it, 23.5?
No, 27 he was gonna pay. We're gonna make some money, buddy.
Yeah.
All right, let's do a freaking crazy test drive before the guy comes and buys. Give her some juice, brother. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. Dang, that thing looks good. Oh, buddy, this is nice. After doing all this testing, you think our boy Tim's gonna be happy with the purchase?
He gonna love it.
Hey, but guess what we're gonna do?